affordable country place to call home sweet home. 3 bedrooms/2 bath well-maintained double wide features a spacious great room leading to a deck. Split floor plan for privacy in the master area west/updated en-suite bath. Beautiful laminate flooring in the master suite, great room and kitchen. Even a gas stove. All of the appliances will convey. Side entry backdoor neighbors are the best kind of neighbors from a new stoop. 2+ country acres to overlook west. Plenty of room for your garden this summer. Double carport.